Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz. Today I am just gonna do an example on how to do a zero-based budgeting and like cash stuffing and sinking funds. So I know some people are visual learners, so we will do like an example on how to do a zero-based budget. So we're just gonna pick like a random number. We'll go from like an income and then bills and then what you can cash in your envelopes. Everybody's budget is completely different. This is just like for an example on what zero-based budgeting is. And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. So we will jump right into it. So let's say you get paid bi-weekly. So right here, we're just gonna say, oh, my budget is probably like $1,000. And then when you go to your actual, it's going to be what you actually get paid. And then that's when you update everything so you are right on task. But right now, it's just you're budgeting for it. Right here, you have your bills, which are variable expenses. They can be your every bills that are the same, or you could put whatever you think, like whatever you get paid the same time every month. You can do that. But and I'm also using the Budget Mom paycheck. Yeah, budget by paycheck. So let's get started. So let's say you have like AT&T phone bill and it's due, I don't know, what's on Friday? Let's say it's due like on the 15th. And let's say you get paid on the 15th. So your AT&T bill, let's say that's $60. And then you have like your phone or rent. Let's do rent. It's due on the 15th. And this is just an example. So let's say your rent is about $400. And then you have to pay like lights. I'm probably gonna make them all the same date just so you can get a gist of it. But right here, you would just put your due date. So let's say your lights is about $50. So you're gonna calculate all that up. So we have 60 plus 400 plus 50. So that's $510. And then you take whatever you have left over. So you do 1,000 minus 510. And now you have $490. Let's just say like this is just your free paycheck and you're just budgeting ahead. So for your envelopes, this is what you're gonna use every week. So you have groceries or food. And let's say you're gonna budget, let's say $100 a week. Then you have gas. Let's say you're gonna budget $70. Whoa, let me see. Hold on. $35. Or if you want to do it, since it's bi-weekly, you can double it. So you'll have your food for the next 2 weeks and you just set it to the side. So you could do $200 for food or $70 for gas. So that should hold you over for the next 2 weeks until you get paid. And let's say you want to do groceries, gas, spending, and giving. So some people do spending, and make sure you look at your leftovers. So you have 200 plus 70, oops, not 700, 200 plus 70. So you're at $270, and say, oh, okay, I just want to spend $25 on any expense that comes up. And then you just want to give $5 for giving. So that's $270 plus 25 plus $5. So that would be $300. That is going to be your spending for the next 2 weeks. Like, and again, this is an example. It's not like real life, but it's just an example on how to do a zero-based budgeting. So you take your leftover, or you take your total, and you minus out your leftover. So you have 490 minus 300. So you have $190 left. And since we're doing zero-based budgeting, that means that every dollar has a job. So we want to be zero-based. We want to end out with a 0. So let's say you're doing sinking funds. You're saving for the future. You want to do like birthdays, date night, and I know I don't have my press-ons today because I gotta work. So, because you know I wear press-ons, I don't actually get my nails done. But anyway, so your sinking funds, you have birthday, date night, and say you want to put some money to the side for your business, and you want to do put some money away for vacation. So you have $190 left that you want to put in your sinking funds. So for birthdays, you want to budget maybe 25. Date night, you want to, have something special coming up. You want to do something special, so you put 30 in there. For business, you want to put 15. And then vacation, you're like, okay, well, I want to put some money to the side. I'm going to put $20. So you minus out your 190 from 25. And then you just minus it out. So you have $100 left over, or you can just add it, 25 plus 30 plus 15 plus 20. So that was $90. So you still have some money left over. Let's say you want to put something in your credit card. So you're like, okay, I want to put something on my credit card. I'm gonna budget $50. So you can make an extra payment. So that'll be $50. And then you'll have $50 left over. Okay. So you have $50 left over. Say you purchased one of my your saving challenges. So you have it's like you have one of your saving challenges. You can kind of look over and see, okay, I have $50. Or if you picked up anybody else's saving challenges. Like say, okay, so I have $30 in my 1K challenge. So I'm gonna put that one in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the 520. I'm gonna put it $20 in my 520 challenge. So your savings will be $50. You knocked out 2 saving challenges. And then now you should have 0 left over. So all of that's how you do like a zero-based budget. Everything is covered. It gets a little bit more complex as you add in more bills, which everybody has a lot of bills. But this is like an example on how you would want to do it. A lot of people do their bills and everything a little bit different, but this is as plain as I can, or as simple as I can put it, on how to do a zero-based budget. And this is like your visual on how to do this, this, and this, and this, and this. And then when you go to your sinking funds, I know she has a section where you just put all your envelopes. You could put your envelopes and your sinking funds right here, and then you just put the amount. So we have groceries, food, we have food, gas, spending, and giving. So you put them in your categories. These are the ones that I put in my wallet. So I have like those little dividers that I put in my wallet. Let's see if I can grab one. Hold on. So I have these. These are example of my dividers. Some people use envelopes, or they use the A7. They'll use like the A7 little zipper pouches, and then that's how I divide it. So if I'm using money for groceries and I spent like $75, I'll put the rest in this little section. And then if I spent like $5, I'll put the 20 in this section. So I know I can keep up with it. And then I do weekly check-ins to make sure I'm spending, or if I'm overspending. I don't know if she has a section on here, but let me grab one of mine. Hold on. So I have my bi-weekly paycheck budget planner. Let's see, because I put, yeah, here we go. So this is my budget planner. And then I do weekly check-ins. So you know how you have your envelopes that you put in your wallet, or what you're going to be spending every week or the next 2 weeks. I'll put them right here. So the groceries, it'll be $75. I do this every week. I spent $75. I spent $61.38. So if I'm doing 200, I will minus out $61.38. And then I know I'll have, like, say I'm gonna just write over this. So I have 200 minus 61.38. I'll have 138.62 left. And I just keep doing it until the next time I get paid. So I do, this one has for all 5 weeks. And like, this is like kind of what my budget kind of looks like, because I know I have a lot of bills and it can get kind of complex. And then I have like scratch paper. So this is available on my website. And like I have my, and it's my printed version that's coming out is gonna be 7x9, so it's a lot smaller than the 8.5x11, because I just wanted something that's more travel friendly. I could put it in my purse because I have big purses. I can't really put this in my purse, but I know some people want something smaller for their expense log. I know if you watch Pink Cloth, she has like the small ones that she just puts in her bag, and she just writes out what she spends that day or that week. I really love that idea. But this is my expense log, so I know what I'm spending, and I color coordinate it. So I'll be like, okay, I know what's bills. If I'm shopping too much, I can see it visually. I'll be like, okay, maybe I'm shopping a little bit too much. You're doing a little bit too much, girl. So that's kind of like a quick example on how to do a zero-based budget. If you have any questions, comments, you want to join the Pink Uni family, because we have fun. We have fun over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Join our Pink Uni family. And we will come back tomorrow with another video. Hopefully I'm getting some Happy Mail soon so I can do an unboxing for you guys. That will be fun because I do support other small business owners, and I do buy from their shops too. So hopefully you'll see that Happy Mail coming. And we'll come back on Friday. We'll come back on Friday to do an actual budget. So you'll see, like, so tomorrow I'll upload my budget with me, and you'll see like how I budgeted. And then on Friday you'll see the actual budget. So you can kind of see, like, am I off? Am I a little, need to work on my budget a little bit? Because, budgets take, it's going to take some time to really get it down pat. I've been doing it for a year and I still kind of fell off because I do notice when I don't budget or if I don't track my spending, I end up overspending. And that's the reason why I'm doing all this, is because I overspend. I have very bad impulse spending or impulse shopping. But this has been helping me, and some other things happen. But maybe I'll do a story time later about why I kind of fell off. But that's for another video. Anyways, have a good day. Be blessed. And we will come back tomorrow for a budget with me. So, see y'all later. Bye.